I'm Amira Susmina.
I'm Emiliana.
I'm Sharapova. We are Solution Seeker from SMK Luar, Bandar, Miri.
For everyone information, we are SMK Luar Bandar Miri student or known as SMK LBM. This school is located in Subis district. SMK LBM student consists of 920 students, 75 teachers and 15 staff.
The theme of product is to reuse waste product to overcome the cost of living. We also use the 3R concept, which is the reduce, recycle and remake. It means giving a product a new purpose by using used material that can drastically reduce the cost of living and make our life easier. The big problem we face at school is that the students like to leave their book in the desk drawer, so it can cause the loss of a textbook among of students because it is likely to be stolen by other students. The textbook also will be dirty.
Next, students carry heavy bag to school every day. This situation can affect the health of the student because it can cause disease such as scoliosis or shoulder pain because they are carrying heavy bags. So, we plan to help our school by providing special lockers for students by using discard materials. The design innovation is simple, easy to build and has strong resistance to accommodate the weight of stored items.
Benefit of our products is can withstand a lot of weight, simple and easy to build, low cost and lastly can overcome the losing of textbook.
Our product is known as DIY locker, which is made from waste materials such as plastic bottle cap and cardboard. This DIY locker is 33 cm long, 33 cm wide and 33 cm high. The production of this locker requires 600 bottle cap, 3 cardboard that divide into 2 for each side and using chopstick. To make more durable and long-lasting locker, use chopsticks that have been used to straighten every bone of the locker. Cardboard pieces are sprayed with waterproof paint. So, our total cost is 52 ringgit 60 cents, which is Mr. DIY hot matte glue stick 39 ringgit 20 cents for 8 pieces next. Mr. DIY spray 6 ringgit 50 cents for 1 bottle, and lastly Mr. DIY cardboard 6 ringgit 90 cents for 3 pieces.
Objective of our project is to reduce plastic waste at school. Secondly, reduce back pain such as scoliosis among students. Thirdly, reduce the problem of losing textbook among students. Lastly, reduce the burden of the cleaner to clean a lot of trash in the school area. This locker can improve the learning experience of students at SMK Luar Bandar Miri and create a big impact on the image of the school in trying to reduce the cost of living by reusing items. This locker is a good start in preserving our environment because it is environmentally friendly, durable and low cost.